How did past electrical projects use documentation? Have you ever wondered how electrical projects from the past managed to stay organized and efficient? The answer lies in the use of documentation. In the field of electrical engineering, documentation was not just a formality. It was a vital tool that ensured clarity and accuracy throughout the project lifecycle. Documentation served many purposes, such as recording design specifications, operational procedures, testing results, and maintenance instructions. Engineers and technicians relied on technical documentation to communicate complex information about circuits, power systems, and electronic components. This communication was essential for collaboration among team members and stakeholders. In the early days of electrical projects, documentation often took the form of hand-drawn schematics and wiring diagrams. These documents detailed the layout of electrical circuits, the ratings of components like transformers and motors, and the sequence of operations for equipment. For instance, laboratories in the late 19th and early 20th centuries maintained detailed records of experimental setups and test results. This practice supported reproducibility and troubleshooting, which were critical for advancing electrical technology. As the field evolved, documentation began to include standardized symbols and formats for schematics. This made it easier for engineers to interpret and collaborate on designs. Project documentation also encompassed specifications for safety standards and compliance with emerging electrical codes. This was especially important for high-voltage projects, where precise documentation helped prevent hazards and ensured reliability. In project management and design, documentation provided a reference framework for planning, resource allocation, and quality control. It allowed engineers to track progress, manage changes, and communicate design intent to manufacturing or construction teams. For example, detailed technical manuals and operation guides were created to support the installation and maintenance of electrical systems, such as power plants or communication networks. Practical applications of documentation in past electrical projects included design documentation like schematics and blueprints that define the electrical system architecture. Test reports provided data and analysis from performance testing and safety verification. Maintenance logs recorded inspections, repairs, and upgrades to electrical equipment. User manuals offered instructions for operation and troubleshooting of electrical devices and systems. Compliance documents included certificates and reports that demonstrated adherence to electrical standards and regulations. Overall, documentation in past electrical projects was a critical element that connected theoretical design with practical implementation. It ensured that complex electrical systems could be built, operated, and maintained effectively, supporting the growth of electrical engineering as a disciplined profession.